Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this wireless compressed air duster by Roedix. It's the R8. It's the multifunctional high-speed air duster. It's got 3-phase, I don't know, it's got all this stuff here. Let's check this thing out and see how it does, see if it blows. So let's see what we open it up. It had these like stickers, like these protective steel stickers, but I guess they were already opened or something. But here we go. So we have a user manual. I guess this is going to be a carrying bag for it. And then we have all these pieces here. So it's going to have a charging cable. It's going to be USB A to C. These are the little tips for it. So let's open them. This must be the blower. This is the blower here. And then it's got, I guess, a fine tip. Looks like it just sticks on. It's a really pointed one. I guess that would be like for getting in a keyboard or some tight place. Here's a mediocre one, that, and a flat tip, I guess. But let's try this out and see what happens. So it looks like you hold the button down to turn it on, and it looks like it's got 1 dot. And then if I push it again, there's 2 dots and 3 dots. And holy mackerel. Holy cow, look at all that wind coming out. It's like a hairdryer. This is an insane amount of air. Holy cow. I would never have imagined, I don't know if you can even hear me. I would never have imagined that much air coming out of this tiny little device. This is crazy. Okay, let me try this again here. Okay, so 3 dots on the highest. And this is gonna blow stuff all the way over. It's just like so much air going out. I mean, even at a distance, I'm sure it's just totally, I mean, I can be 6 feet away and it's still blowing like crazy. Look at this. And this is like full arm reach all the way out there, and it's blowing my hair like a lot. Wow, that's gonna, how's that much air going through it? Okay, it's just got so much air. Wow. This one too, all my stuff's blowing around. What's this one? Oh, that one's not as... That one blows, but not as much as the other one. I guess it needs the airflow to go, because this is just crazy. I wonder how long it'll go for. This is just awesome. Oh my gosh, this blows so much air. Okay, well, this is the coolest thing ever. If you need to like clean your keyboard, clean out your car, I mean, this would get under your seat. It'll just blow everything out from under the seat. Probably blow everything in your car vents, anything out. It's just gonna dust it all. Blow this in the back of the computer. You could probably use this one here and stick it in the back of your computer, and all the dust will come flying out. This is like the greatest thing ever. Okay, I got so many uses for it. Clean under the appliances, behind the dishwasher, the refrigerator, and just probably blow this on one side and everything will come shooting out the other side. This is just really cool. It's so strong, so super cool. Okay, so this is the Roedix R8, and this is awesome. I'm gonna say totally 2 thumbs up on this. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.